I can embrace change, and I can adapt to new circumstances with grace and flexibility. I see the goodness and potential in others, offering kindness, compassion, and support. Tomorrow I awaken with renewed clarity and insight, ready to embrace the lessons and growth that await me. As I surrender to sleep, I carry with me the confidence to face tomorrow's uncertainties with strength and with grace. As I rest, I release any judgments or biases that may hinder my ability to see the goodness in those around me. Tomorrow I awaken refreshed, renewed, and ready to embrace the journey ahead. I am determined, I am deserving, and I am capable of being my healthiest self in mind, body, and spirit. I am determined to be my healthiest self in mind, body, and spirit. I feel excited and optimistic about the endless possibilities that lie ahead, ready to embrace new experiences with an open heart. I know that every experience in my life serves as a purpose and holds valuable lessons for my growth and evolution. I love deeply, authentically, and without reservation, for love is the essence of my true nature. With this unwavering faith, I surrender to the gentle embrace of sleep, knowing that my dreams are nurtured and my destiny is being lovingly shaped by the universe. Tomorrow I awake refreshed, ready to share my authentic voice and create a positive change in the world around me. I speak my truth with confidence and clarity, for my words have the power to inspire, uplift, and create a positive change. Tomorrow I awaken refreshed, ready to share my love with the world, knowing that love is the essence of my true nature.